Rosalinda, I can explain. I haven't killed him. I swear I haven't. Please. I haven't seen have you killed him or not. So I can't trust you. I can't trust you anymore. We're not allies. I'm sorry. Wait, Rosalinda. She doesn't even notice me. Oh, please don't kill me! Ah! So easy. I'm bored. Me too. Why don't we go and kill someone? We will, just be patient. Bolt? What is it? Let's see. Can you please come with me? Fine, I'm coming. So why did you tell me to come with you? He was so foolish. Where did they go? Obviously, if I knew, I would tell you. Bolt is dead. What? Bolt is dead. What happened? Well, I don't know. I was just there with him, and then I just looked on the other side, and I heard his scream, and when I turned around, he was stabbed with a sword. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I didn't know. I'm just so terrified. I'm gonna go and kill someone. I'm just so bored. Fine, go then. There's just no one here. Whoa! Well, it seems that someone's caught in a trap. You will pay for this. I'm sorry, but you're better, right? You're in District 2. I just don't care. He's just as stupid as other District 1s and 2nds or whatever, District 1 and 2 people. Or I don't care. I guess I'll just have to steal food from District 1 and District 2. I just have to watch out. I just don't understand why those tributes are so stupid. I know that Josh is dead, and now we'll finally be able to kill Rachel. And when I kill Rachel, I will be winner. Actually, I won't. There will be 3 more tributes left, I think. But anyway. You think that I haven't seen when you killed Bolt? You think that I didn't know your plan since the beginning? You think I didn't know that you want to kill all of us to be winner? And then you're so foolish if you don't know that. Ugh, you little stupid foolish girl. Don't you understand? Don't you understand that you are the one who was being foolish all the time? You are the one that thought that no one knew her plans? Well, I knew them, girl. I knew them. Ah! Ah! Ha! She doesn't realize that she will bleed to death from that wound that I made her. It doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure there's just a few more tributes left. And when I kill them, I'll be winner. That girl is practically already dead. So there's no point of me killing her. Please help me. It's just that, I suppose. Fine, I'll just pass by. Rah! Ah! Say goodbye, kitty. Ah! I'm going to fall. I'm going to fall. I can't fall. I'm going to die. I can't fall. Ah! Oh no, I'm even lower now. What if I fall? I have to relax. I can't climb this. I can climb this. Oh. That was close. Boop, boop, boop. Finally.
We know full well there's just time. So is it wrong to dance this line? If your heart was full of love, could you give it up? 'Cause what about angels?
Cora. 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 I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. Just I haven't killed Burn. It was killed by District 1. Oh, I'm sorry, Cora. I'm sorry. Just one more tribute and I'll be winner. Stop right there. You came. I was just talking about you. You killed Cora, right? You mean the girl who managed... Actually, who thought that you can manage to take the bag? Yes. Ah! 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 And the winner is Rosalinda. I won? I won the Hunger Games? I won the Hunger Games. That's impossible. How? I won the Hunger Games. Oh my goodness.